Imagine yourself in this 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: wood grain interior trim, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, leather steering wheel, premium sound system, passenger airbag sensor, and engine immobilizer. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.